18. A rectangular sheet of tin 45 centimeter by 24 centimeter is to be made into a box without a top. By cutting off the square from each corner and folding up the flap. Folding up the flap means the rectangle sheets will convert it into cuboid. Is it? Okay. By folding rectangle sheet. If you cut it and fold it, corner you cut it and fold it, then it will become a cuboid. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum? Now volume of a box should be maximum. Is it? For a maximum, what is it? You have to find out. Maximum what? Cuboid. Volume of cuboid. When it is maximum, that you have to find out. That is the question what it says. So let x be the side of the square cut off from the each corner. Okay. Let the side of the square cut off from each corner be x. So side of the rectangle box are 45 minus 2x and 24 minus 2x and x. Is it? Centimeter. Is it? So the volume of, because now rectangle change into length cuboid, no? So the length, breadth and the height will come. So volume of box V is, what is that? L into B into H. Is it? If you 3 multiply it, if you take 2 from the center common, you will get 12 minus x, and if you multiply, simplify it, you will get this value, 2x cube minus 69x square plus 2540x. Okay, let fx is equal to, you take this as fx is equal to, then take derivative with respect to x. Is it? If you take derivative with respect to x, it will become 2 3 is 6, 2 into 69 138 plus, which will be x, derivative of x is 1, so 540. You can directly, I taken 2 steps, but you can directly take out 6 common, so 6 2 is 12, x square minus 23x plus 90. Is it? If you factorize it, you will get f dash of x is equal to 12, x minus 18, x minus 5. So where it will be f dash of x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 18, it will become 0. At x is equal to 5 also, it will become 0. Is it? Now we got a 2 value. Is it? So whenever you get a 2 value, it is better to go with the what? First derivative. So f dash of x, if you take x is equal to 18, 17 and 19, then you say negative and this is positive. So f dash of x changes its sign from negative to positive. Therefore x is equal to 18 is a point of minima. X is equal to 5, it is changing from positive to negative. So f dash of changes from positive to negative. Therefore f x is equal to 5 is a point of maxima. Hence 5 centimeter square should be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum. Next question. So that all the rectangle inscribed in a given fixed circle. This is a circle suppose, and a given fixed circle. The square has maximum area. In circle it can be a square, it can be a rectangle, or it can be any other shapes also. Is it? But you have to prove that if square is then any fixed circle, then it has a maximum area. Is it? But to show that all the rectangle inscribed, is it? Rectangle, square is also one type of a rectangle, but you have to prove that square has a maximum area. Is it? It is a rectangle. So when it is square is changed into rectangle, when x and y become equal, the square can be, rectangle can be changed into the square. Is it? So first we have to take, with respect to that, we have to equate it. Understand? With Pythagoras theorem, we have to take x square, y square, r square and find out the value of y in the terms of x and r. Is it? After finding that, you have to find the area of the rectangle. Is it? Okay. And then whenever there are two, say x and y variable, we have to convert them into one variable, any one variable. Why we do so? Because we cannot take derivative if there are two. Is it? X and y two variable, then we cannot take it directly, we cannot take it derivative of both x and y variable. Okay, if it is u into v form, then it is a different way. But to simply see it or to make it simplify, you must have either in a form of x or in form of y. So now take this. Okay, so what in this we have to prove? We have to prove that the rectangle becomes square and has a maximum area inscribed in a circle. So rectangle can become square. It means that x and y should be equal. So let x and y be the length and breadth of a rectangle inscribed in a fixed circle. Fixed circle has a radius r. So this length become 2r. This is x and y. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we'll get y is equal to, is it ab square, ac square is equal to ab square plus bc square. It is 2r ac. If we substitute the value, we'll get y square is equal to 4r square minus x square. So y is equal to root 4r square minus x square. Now we know that area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is what? X into y. Substitute the value of y here, which is in terms of r. R is a constant and x. Is it? As I told you, when there are two variables, we have to convert them into one variable. We must have the relation between them, and so that we can take derivative easily. So a is equal to x into root 4r square minus x square, squaring on both the sides. What to get? This a square is equal to x square 4r square minus x square. Is it? So after simplification we get this expression. Now we take derivative of it. So dA square by dx square, we got this one. Okay, it is again simplified. So it is 8r square x minus 4x cube. Okay, is it? Now we have to take the critical point. So let's take critical point. For critical point, it must be equal to 0. So what we get? X is equal to root 2r. Only one point. So we can do with the second order derivative. Is it? So now you take this d square a square by dx square. Then if you simplify it, you will get this value. At what value you to point? You have to find at critical value root 2r. If you substitute in place of x as root 2r, what do you get? Minus 16r square. Is it? In place of this here, if you substitute 2r square, then it will become 24. So 8r square minus 24r square, remaining is minus 16r square, which is less than 0. So x is equal to this. X is equal to root 2r is a point of maximum. Got it? And a is a maximum at x is equal to root 2r. Okay. Now what you have to prove? The square has this becomes square. This becomes square means we have to prove y also like this. Y is also root 2r. Then length and breadth become equal. Then it is a square. Is it? So to show that, we must prove that x is equal to y. Then only it will be square. Yet we not proved. We proved that it is a root 2r is a maximum value. Is it? To prove that square is a maximum, we have to prove x is equal to y. So y is equal to 4r square minus x square. Y is equal to root 4r square minus 2r square. X square value is substitute. Is it? If you simplify, you will get y also equal to root 2r. So hence x is equal to y. Thus the square has a maximum area. A right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum value is such that its height is equal to the diameter. So h we have to prove h is equal to 2r, then this part will be proved. What you have to understand, volume is maximum, is it? And there is a relation between the surface area and the volume. So volume is given maximum, so means dv by dr we have to take it as maximum and find the critical point. Is it? That point will give you the maximum value. It is given maximum, so means dv by, that is critical point, dv by dx or whatever may be. So first we'll take the surface area, find h from there and substitute in the volume, because volume is given maximum, nothing given about surface area. When we talk about the surface area, we are talking about in this case all total surface area. Is it clear? Now the surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. So let S be the surface area. So in places S is equal to 2 pi r plus 2 pi r square. Take it on that side. why we are doing this? We want to find out the value of h and substitute in got it, h in the volume. Why we are doing so? Because there are two quantities in this, r and h. If there are two quantity, we cannot take derivative. Is it? Easily we cannot take derivative. So two function cannot be. One will be the constant. So for the easiest way to do it, we convert them into one variable r. So we'll convert them into r. So make h as a subjective formula. That h will substitute in the volume formula, and we'll make a all expression with the r only. Is it? So let's take on that side. So h is equal to s minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. Okay, is it? H is gone now, therefore it is divided. So what now? Volume is what? Pi r square h. So substitute the value of h here. So take half common, simplify inside. So you'll get sr minus 2 pi r cube. Now we can take, volume is given maximum, so we have to take derivative with respect to x. Okay, so taking derivative with respect to x. Is it? Okay. Since v is the volume, with respect to here r is there is no x, so we have to find dv by dr. So derivative with respect to r. So dv by dr is equal to, what will get? R is 1 here. Okay, minus with respect to r. So 2 3 just 6 pi r square, 6 pi r square. So for critical point it must be equal to 0. So dv by dt is equal to 0. So from this we get s is equal to 6 pi r square. This is a maximum value. At critical point only we got a maximum. Is it? So let's check. Volume is maximum given. So now d square y by dx square, second derivative test, because only one critical point we got. So d square y by dr square should be there. It should be r, dr square. Is it? Okay. Can we substitute s here? No, there is no s here in this figure. So today's answer is minus. D square y by dx square gets minus. When it is minus or less than 0, so it shows that it is a maximum value. But we cannot substitute s is equal to here. There is no expression s here. So this shows that this is a maximum value. So s is equal to 6 pi r square is a point of maximum, because it is d square y by dr square become minus less than 0. So it is a maximum point. Is it? Now what I have to show? The height is equal to diameter. Diameter means 2r. Is it? So what we got here, h is equal to beginning. Is it? Now h is equal to s minus pi r square upon 2 pi r. What is the value of s? S is 6 pi r square. If you substitute the h and simplify, you will get h is equal to 2r, which is the diameter. Hence it is proved that h is equal to the diameter of the base of the cylinder.